Hey everybody, it's February 2018. It's time for some completed work demos. This is number 278, a tenor, walnut and pistachio banjo uke with a K&K pickup. This is for a local musician named Jeremy. He's also a bass player. It's strung low G. The walnut is from some curly walnut from a retired furniture maker from the Dalles in Oregon. My MOA made several ukuleles from this wood, and I'm almost done with this stash for bean sprout. Yeah, and the nice long tenor neck and the low G and the walnut make for a dark, rich sounding instrument for sure. Yeah. Yeah, this is a lovely sounding instrument. I hope Jeremy puts it to some good use that I would never think of. That's what's nice about sending to good musicians. Hopefully they come up with something you wouldn't. So check out the fretboard there. That's a piece of what's called tractor blight. That's a time when the tractor hit the tree in the orchard and it scarred and grew back around it. Pretty cool. So 278 all done.